In this video, we're going to learn how to pronounce words like these: waited, lived, and watched. There are a lot of words in English that end in ed. Fortunately, we can divide them into three groups. In the first group, we have the word waited. In this group of words, we pronounce the id sound. Waited. Waited. Any word that ends in TED or DED is in this group. For example, wanted, decided, hated, needed. This is the easiest group to learn. For groups 2 and 3, it's a little more complicated. So, we're going to give you a very simple rule for beginners and a more complicated one for advanced learners. Group 2 words finish with a D sound, and Group 3 words finish with a T sound. So, I always tell beginner students to use whichever sound comes to them first, either T or D, to not think about if the word is in Group 2 or Group 3. For example, watched, lived, played, danced, worried, washed. The reason I teach this rule to beginners is because the difference in pronunciation between the words in Group 2 and 3 is very hard to notice, and it's difficult to learn for students that have basic pronunciation problems. A bigger, much more obvious mistake is when students incorrectly use the id sound for verbs in Groups 2 and 3. For example, watched or livid, because that's when words sound very different and can be confused for a different word. Now, let's take a look at the difference between Groups 2 and 3. The root word of the words in Group 2 end in voiced sounds. That means that when we say the last part of the word, the vocal cords vibrate. For example, live, play, worry. Try putting your hand on your throat and feel the vibrations. If you're saying it correctly, you'll notice a vibration in the middle of the word and at the end of the word. With this group of words, when we add the ed ending, we pronounce these words with a D sound. For example, lived, played, worried. So that's how we pronounce words in Group 2. Let's take a look at Group 3. The root word of the words in Group 3 end in unvoiced sounds. That means that when we say the last part of the word, the vocal cords don't vibrate. For example, watch, dance, wash. Try putting your hand on your throat and feel which part of the word creates a vibration. If you're saying it correctly, you will notice a vibration when you say the vowel, but not at the end. When these words end in ed, we make a T sound. Watched, danced, washed. So, these are the fundamental rules for correctly pronouncing the ed endings. If you don't have regular classes with an English teacher, a great tool for practicing these verbs by yourself is at easypronunciation.com. If you go to the website, click Practice Pronunciation of Individual Words, then the language you want to practice, in our case either American English or British English. I'm going to go with British English since I'm from the UK. Then just type in the word, press start, then press play to hear the correct pronunciation.
Wanted,
You can keep practicing and comparing it to the correct version until you get it right. We hope this helped. Thanks for watching.